Hey everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make these delicious banana cheesecake muffins. Let's start by mashing the bananas. You'll need 3 bananas or 1.5 cups mashed. Whisk together 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, ½ teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Add 2/3 cups of brown sugar to the banana and mix. Now add 1 egg and 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Add the dry ingredients to the wet and mix just until everything's combined, and don't overmix. This ensures your muffin stays fluffy. Now onto the cheesecake batter. Mix 4 ounces of room temperature cream cheese with 1 egg. Quarter cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now fill them up. I like using a cookie scoop for this. This recipe will make 12 muffins. After you've used all the muffin batter, scoop the cheesecake batter on top and swirl around with a toothpick. You know what would also be good? Chocolate chips, especially white chocolate. That would work so well in these. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. These are perfectly moist. If you already love banana muffins, give these a try. A delicious twist on a classic. Thanks for watching! Like and subscribe, please.